Greetings to all. In the last video, we looked at noun, pronoun and adjective. In this video, we'll focus on verb, adverb and preposition. First, let's look at verb. What do you mean by verb? Action words or state of being words are called verb. Action words tell us what's happening and being words tell us what is the condition or state of being of somebody or something in the sentence. We cannot write any sentence without verb. If you look at the first example, the action word used in the first sentence is play. So that is the verb used in the first sentence. If you look at the second sentence, the word is acts as a verb because it tells about the state of being of somebody. So the word is a verb. Third sentence, the word bought is an action word. So that is a verb used in the third sentence. To check your understanding, please pause the video and find out the verb from the sentences given. I hope you all got it right. Let's check the answers. If you look at the first sentence, the word barked is a verb. If you look at the second one, the word written is a verb. And if you look at the third one, the word introduced is a verb. And if you look at the fourth and fifth one, the word was, and in the fifth one is a verb. It refers to a state of being. Next, let's look at adverb. Adverb modifies or qualifies the verb, adjective and other adverbs. Sometimes the adverbs can modify the whole sentence also, and it answers the question how, when and where. If you look at the first example, the word fast says something more about the verb, so that is an adverb. If you look at the second sentence, the word beautiful says something more about the girl, so that is an adjective, and the word very says something more about an adjective, so that acts as an adverb in the second sentence. If you look at the third sentence, it happened pretty quickly. How did it happen? Quickly. Quickly is an adverb, and the word pretty says something more about an adverb, so that also acts as an adverb in the third sentence. Again, pause the video to work out on the exercise given. Let's check the answers. If you look at the first sentence, the word loudly says something more about the verb speaks, so that's an adverb. The second sentence, the word luckily modifies the whole sentence, so that's an adverb. The third sentence, the word very is an adverb because it says something more about an adjective, good. And if you look at the fourth sentence, the word pretty acts as an adverb because it says something more about the word good, which is an adjective. The final sentence, we arrived too early. Both the words too and early are adverbs because the word early says something more about the verb arrive, and the word to modifies an adverb early, so both are adverbs. Next, let's look at preposition. It helps us understand order, time connection and possession. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. And prepositions cannot be plural. Let's look at the examples. If you look at the first sentence, the cricket bat is on the floor. There is a relationship between a noun, bat, and the word on indicates the place. So that is the preposition used in the first sentence. The second example, the dog is under the chair. There is a relationship between the noun dog and the noun chair, and the word under is a preposition and it indicates the possession. In the third sentence, the word in is a preposition which indicates the time, and in the fourth sentence, the word inside is a preposition which indicates the possession, and in the fifth sentence, instead of is a preposition which again indicates possession. Pause the video to work out on the exercise given. Please check out the answers shown and correct your mistakes. As I always tell, the only extra ingredient you need is effort. And if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Stay tuned to enjoy learning English with Carol.